Hello traders, the title of the video is Elliott with a trader opens up Palladium with a structure one step at a time. Or do you trade the Palladium metal, or in fact a trader of the name of PMC LLC did ask me to record a video about Palladium, and he gave me also the epic for the trading view. That's exactly what we want trader to do, ask a specific question with a specific details. Okay, so we can move very fast, right? So trader asked me a lot of questions. They say, Joe, record a video about this, record a video about that, talk about the third wave, and so on. All right, it's all in the pipe. All right, so don't worry, come in one step at a time, because we are managing the channel. All right, so don't unsubscribe, because you see, George, I have asked a question and you haven't answered yet. Don't unsubscribe yet, that will be too early. You can still remind me again in the comment section to put me a bit under pressure, but just remember that your questions will be answered in due course on a specific YouTube channel. All right, so as you can see, I have done my homework. That's why you must support 24 Elliott Wave, donate at 24 Elliott Wave. You say, oh Joe, you're talking about money again. All right, so here it is. That is a fast way. All right, so if for instance, all right, so I'm not speaking to traders that cannot afford to donate to our YouTube channel or to our website, but there are traders out there which I know, all right, some institutional investors, some big traders out there with a lot of money stuck in the bank. All right, some traders cannot afford. So I'm not speaking to you. All right, you cannot afford, you cannot afford. But some traders can afford. So they watch our video, they place a trade, they make a lot of profit. All right, at least give us 0.01% donation to our channel. That will be good, isn't it? All right, give something back. So you go to a church, or you give something in the basket, yes or no? You go to a mosque, you give something in the basket. You belong to a society, like in London, we pay a council tax. The council tax is not an income tax. So the community to which you belong to, you still pay tax for it. We even pay in London a tax for the television. You pay tax in your country for your television. It costs us like 130 British pounds a year for watching BBC. Do you believe that? So support 24 Elliott Wave. Some traders do not have the means to support us. Some traders can afford. You watch the video, you support us, please. All right? Okay, so here we are. So first wave, first banner wave of the bigger first wave, second banner wave, third banner wave. All right, and then this pullback here, this is the fourth banner wave, and the fifth banner wave right there. By the way, now let me know how I'm using the trading view. All right, is anything else I need to know more? I want to hear from traders that are using the trading view software. So something I need to find. So as always, I say to traders, feel free to disagree with my wave count. All right. The reason why I say that is that never, all right, follow somebody, never accept, all right, the wave count of somebody without challenging it. So count your wave and then compare it to mine. That's the best approach. Even if you purchase it, all right, don't just don't believe, all right? Don't just take it for granted and say, oh, this is the guru, this is the expert, all right? This is the best approach to use, all right, the Elliott wave forecast. So anytime we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is become what we call a trending phase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, without any Elliott wave violation, become one trending phase or one impulse wave. So that's the red one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one trending phase. Okay? 1, 2, 3 become one corrective wave. So it can be multiple 3, 1, 2, 3 become 1, and then again 1, 2, 3 can become 1 again. So you'll see very soon I'll be talking about that. So now after data training first, talking about the red one, we have a correction. Pull back here, you see here? So that's the first move down. Then it went up again, that's 2. Are you getting it? 1, 2, 3? Then it went up from here to here, that's 2. And then 1, 2, then here. That's 1, 2, 3. It becomes one corrective wave, W. Now for new trader, don't worry about this. You say, George, what is WXY wave? Go to www.24elliottwave.com. Check the web page that we title WXY wave structure, blah, 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 blah. Okay. You see, 1, 2, 3 become 3 if it is a correction. So the correction will correct what? A trending fail. So the trending fail is that red one here. Now a correction has started. People think it has ended here, which is normal. So at this point in time, people say it's a trending fail. So another time may say this is W right there, and this is X, and this is Y. We are speaking the same language. So that WSY wave, so talking about WSY wave, will become again one corrective wave. You see now? So 1, 2, 3. If it's a corrective wave, it becomes one corrective wave. And according to my wave count, that's a W. And for me, this is the X here. People try to buy the palladium metal. So let me know about palladium, because I don't trade palladium, I don't trade commodity. Traders that are trading commodity, let me know more in the comment section. But when it comes to Elliott wave analysis, well, you can't discount my experience about using the Elliott wave principle. Just give me the chart, please. All right. So this is the X here. Okay? X wave, a trending phase, P-H-A-S-E, phase, that has failed. So if you do not know about X wave, you say, Joe, what is X wave? Same, go to our website, www.24elliottwave.com, check the S wave, okay, webpage. And you can see a flat correction here. Price went down 1, 2, 3. So you may say it went down, shoot down. What is that? It's a flat correction. So what is the flat correction correcting? It's correcting that failed trend, the S wave. 1, 2, 3. That 1, 2, 3 become 1, which is the Y wave. But again, that 1, 2, 3 become W here. Now we have X. But if you call W 1, X 2, Y 3, that become again 1. That's the second wave of the higher degree at this point in time. As I always say to traders, the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. That's why we give the title of this video, Elliott wave trader opens up Palladium wave structure one step at a time. You see now? So when we are talking opens up, the surgeon will open up the person. We try to fix it. So there are a lot of surgeons in India, by the way. So a lot of traders now understand why a lot of Indian traders love Elliott wave so much, because there are a lot of surgeons in India. In fact, in London, if you come here, a lot of surgeons that are working in a hospital in London here, most of them are Asians. So the Asians love to open up things. That's why they love Elliott wave principle. So the reason why I'm talking about the surgeon is that when we are using the Elliott wave principle to analyze the price structure, we are opening up the price. So instead of just staring at it, looking at it and say, yeah, price went up, price went down. We are dissecting it. We are opening it up to understand more. That's what we are doing now. So you may call yourself a surgeon, all right? A surgeon chartist. Are we allowed to say that? Okay, so 1 W X 2 3 become one again. That's a corrective way. So why is it correcting? All this gigantic W X Y wave is correcting this trending phase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One trending phase, one impulse wave. In area way, 1, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 become equals 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3, if it's correct, it becomes 1. And we can keep doing that. And sometimes traders get confused. But with more experience, you understand what is happening now. And I have not yet finished with this 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Stay with me, please. So feel free to disagree with my wake up. And I'll say to you, with the information that I have today, with trading view, that's what I see. The price can print something completely different out. If our forecast has changed, we're not going to be very arrogant. We comply with the price and adjust accordingly. This is about flowing with the area wave. What was happening before, talking about the old-fashioned area wave trading, is that people will forecast the market and will say, this is exactly what is going to happen. And if it happens, people say, I am the area wave guru. If it doesn't happen, everybody's quiet. But that's not my approach. My approach is that the area wave forecast is an expectation. The price can confirm it, the price can deny it, the price can invalidate, the price can validate it. All I'm doing, I'm flowing with it. How do I flow with it? After the preliminary area wave count, now you want to understand how the step that I'm following in every video. Preliminary wave count, area wave validation, mapping out the chart. And then you want to implement one, a different time frame trading method. So if we call this one the second wave for Palladium, so we may say, George, probably we are now, I'm choosing my word very carefully now, all right? So you are using the area wave to talk to your client, you will say, it looks to me that the Palladium is now in the third wave, but be careful. Traders that have been following us for years know what I'm about to talk about now, okay? Have I done? I've done something, okay? So then when we say be careful because of this level here, the level of 1474, you're trading Palladium, note that down. 14774. What is that? That is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this trending phase, the red trending phase. Though at this point in time, talking about one step at a time, area wave count, at this point in time today, it's the 15th of January 2019, right? You must donate a lot to 24 area wave in 2019. We are saying to trader, it looks to me this is the beginning of the third wave, but be careful. If it fails to go above that level of 1474, we cannot talk about a third wave. That third wave will be validated only if the price breaks above that level of 1474 and find support and continue to go up a little bit more into which zone? 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this trending phase. So a trader, I think it was PMCL, they show me, you see, so how you move the chart down, you see, that's beautiful. Okay, you see now, before I don't know how to do that. This is about talking about experience. So the third wave, before we can talk about third wave, the price should go all the way. So you see, I'm learning from traders, and they are learning from me also, which is good. So, so here we are. 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of that trending phase is at a 1709. So before we can really talk about third wave, we want it to go a little bit above that 1709, at least to reach it. and then we'll examine the structure one more time. Is this so we may look back again? So we'll review our Elliott wave analysis. All right, and say, all right, so probably this is the first minor wave of the third wave that you were calling S, George. This is the second minor wave of the third wave that you are calling Y, and so on, and then blah blah blah, and then we come here. So when we count wave, that's what I said today. Don't remove your drawing. It's not finished yet because we are going one step at a time. The reason why we will leave all our drawing on the chart is that if we gather more, if we gather new information, we can adjust what accordingly. So note down 1474. That's the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that trending file. If you look carefully on my charts, you will see that recently professional traders that are going to www.dayprotrader.com. All right. This to make you laugh a bit, all right? You see this trending first here? They apply Fibonacci extension to that trending fail that has failed, that we call X, and they higher at which level? The 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the move from here to here. Where is that? There. Did they sell there? Yes. They sell it there. Can you see that? They sold it down. That's X, the trending fail that fell. They applied the 138.2% level. Now the price manages to go above that level. Good. Next level that we must watch is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that trending phase. Will they reach it? If we manage to break above it as it did here, the next level to watch is 1709. 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the trending fair. What is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level? What is the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level? What is the 361.8% level? Any Fibonacci extension level ending with 618, all right, is a breakout zone. And the Fibonacci extension level ending by 38, 138, 238, 338 is about reversal zone. That's why they usually sell there. For traders who do not know about Fibonacci extension trading, go to www.dayprotrader.com or subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel and check our playlist relating to the Fibonacci extensions. And you'll hear me speaking my beautiful accent, explaining to you everything else, okay? So for Palladium, that's what we can say today. But before you run away and say, George, I'm not impressed. For technical trading, all right? So we talk about the possible scenario that occur. All right? I want the video to be short, so I didn't go into the mind of other traders because I don't see any difference. No one can deny that this was a trending file. No one can deny that this is a correction taking place. We may argue about the WSY wave, but there is a correction taking place here. So that's why I didn't want to talk about going to the mind of other traders. If you go also talking about the validation of the wake count, which means you want to go to the higher degree time frame to see what has happened, you usually use the yearly chart. Here it is. Okay, it went up one, now it's pulled back. Some say the correction has ended here. W. All right, probably this is the first minor wave of that third wave, second minor wave of that third wave. We will see one step at a time. All right, going back again to the monthly chart. All right, place this pitchfork tool on your chart and don't move it. Place the pitchfork tool, okay, at the beginning of December 2008. That's where I place my W. Okay, place the second part, okay, at the beginning of February 2011. That's where I place my X. And place the third point for the pitchfork tool at the beginning of January 2016. That's where I place my Y and also my 2. And draw that pitchfork tool. The pitchfork tool will determine the possible path that the price will take. So we are talking about preliminary wave count, area wave validation, going into the mind of other traders, and mapping out the chart. So after you have done your area wave analysis, you must map out the chart. That's how you will get paid. And then you map it out in order to identify high probability trading setup on the edge. And then you will combine your area wave forecast with what? A top-down trading method. An area wave trader that is not using a top-down trading method is still behind. Check out the video that I titled Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Very, very important. You will improve your area wave forecast if you start combining it with the top-down trading method. So map out the chart, identify high probability trading setup, and then implement a different time frame trading method. You say, Joe, you say 100 times. Good. Also draw this trend line, connect this low where the W is, and this low where the Y is. Draw that trend line. See, you have that green line there. Draw another point, connect the W, and this low here. Extend those lines on your chart. This is about waiting for valid trading setup to occur at a valid point. Another trend line that we can draw before we wrap it up. You like that? Wrap it up. Connect this one. You may say, yo, that's too many lines. And I'll say, that's my chart. I'm going to color that one now into pink so you don't forget that, okay? The last one, do exactly the same thing. Because if you don't do that, you're not going to see the trading setup. This point, February 2011, and this point here, January 2018, connect it. You may go up and come back to that pink line, leave it there. But remember to draw the pitchfork tool. So we are now, where are we now? You see now? We are now near the median line of that pitchfork tool. So trader that bought it, okay, at the beginning, somewhere near, you see, almost near the lower part of the pitchfork tool, they are taking, some of them may take profit there. That will be good. If we have now, in the following month, that will be greater scenario. If after January, February pull back to retest the pink line, that will be good. And then we will see after February, are we going to have, okay, a bullish trading signal on the edge of the pink line? Or is it going to go above the median line before retesting it? Break a bow, retest. Don't forget 1479, what's that? 138.2% Fibonacci extension level on the first level. So that's all I can say to traders today. Talking about area wave trader opens up Palladium wave structure one step at a time. If you want me to analyze one particular financial instrument, as other traders are doing, be busy to put in a comment section, because if you put it down, I note it down in my book, and I come back to it, and I will analyze it. If there is a data or trading view, I will analyze it. So, okay, don't be ashamed, don't be shy, all right? Put questions, and I know them now. Another trader asked me, Joel, can you analyze Alibaba stock? What are you trading? Let us know in the comment section so you don't get upset. You say, Joel, you are not talking about mine. Please put it down, okay? Put it down, please. And then just put it down. If you're using TradingView, give me the epic also, all right? Like this gentleman did, it gave me the epic for Palladium. Then I can go to the best data and then I'll record a video very fast, okay? All right. If this video has been truly useful to you, all right, please let me know. How do you let me know? Give us your beautiful thumbs up. You need to log in first though, because sometimes they don't log in. But if you are using a smartphone, we are permanently logged in. If you are using Android, you can like the video anytime. But if you are using a desktop, you need to log in first before you can like the video. All right. If you forget, you can come back again and like the video. But if you think, George, well, you're speaking with your funny accent, you try to impress me, I'm not impressed, mark it down. Alright? However, if you think that it's an essential tutorial that can help other Elliott wave traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. Trader that who share my video, I want to say to you a big thank you. You are special subscribers. Our YouTube channel is 24 Elliott Waves. Be sure to subscribe to them and click on the notification bell so anytime we are about to live stream a pre-recorded video, you will be the first person to be notified. Sometimes I post video first on Facebook, or sometimes first on YouTube. Our Facebook page is stochastic-market. Our YouTube web channel is 24 Elliott Waves. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSCW24 traders talking about Elliott wave trader opens up Palladium wave structure one step at a time. What do you want me to talk about in the next tutorial? The competition is now on in the comment section. Thank you for watching.